welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a nail design using some stuff I got from my monthly subscription box from Colourful July. I've already got my tips on. I have the Macart long coffin tips on, and the stuff we're going to be using from Colourful July is a black nail polish. We are going to be using this pink glitter nail gel. We are going to be using this colour nail gel, and then we are going to be using this gold powder I also got in the kit, and then we are also going to be using these stickers. I already had these stickers here. They didn't come in the kit, and the solid gels that are in the little pots. This is what they look like on some swatch sticks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this colour here, and I'm going to paint it on the little finger and these two here, and then the pink I'm going to paint on this one here and this one here. Now, the only brushes I have are my little tiny disposable ones I got from Shein, so it's going to take me a while to paint the colours on, so I'll put it into a little time lapse with some music for you. So there are the base colours on so far and what they are looking like. I'm just going to cure it, do a second coat, and I will be back, guys. And here we are with 2 coats done. They are now completely opaque, and can I just say I absolutely love this pink. Now, I am not a pinky girl, but it is just absolutely stunning. Look at that shine, beautiful. So next step is on my little tray here, which I've been storing the brushes that I've been using, we're going to put a little bit of black polish. Like so on the dish, and we're going to take another brush, and now what I'm going to try and do is a semi-decent sort of like line here to make this a French tip, but I want just a thinnish black line because we're going to go over it with the gold powder. So I don't know how these little disposable brushes are going to do, to be fair. They might not be any good, and I may have to wipe it off and start again, but we will try. We'll sort of see where we want the black line. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect because we will be going over it, so we're just leaving a tiny bit of gold, but we don't want to mess it up too much. So now I don't think that is too bad at all, so we're going to do the same with the other two nails. Like so. That doesn't look too bad at all, I don't think. And we are just going to put that in to cure. Now, I actually forgot to stop recording, so I've done these two. I did this third one and I messed up. So I'm having to redo it, which is kind of good that I messed up because it means I can show you. So I've just redone some of the black line here, cured it, and then you just get a bit of your powder. We tap it on first and then give it a nice little rub. Like so, and then we're just going to sort of see where it's gone on the nail a bit. We're just going to give that a little bit of a clean, like so. So the black is now turned to a gold. Now on these top bits here, we are going to put the pink that we put on this nail by here. So this is what we have ended up with, and we are just going to give that a cure again. Right, my thing seems to stop recording, and I don't know how much it actually recorded, so you may have missed me putting the stickers on. So I just basically put some little snowflakes on these here. Then I put a Christmas tree snowflake on this finger and used a little dotting tool with some white nail polish to make it look like it was snowing. Then on this one here I put some snowflake stickers, a little gonk sticker, and dotted some more snowflakes about. So I will cure it and I will be back, guys. And here we go with them top coated, the finished look. I think they look absolutely beautiful. I love this set. Sort of trying to block the light a bit so you can sort of see on that middle finger. But as you can see, I really like it. Here is the thumb with the gonk. And yeah, I absolutely love them. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of these guys, and I'll see you all in another video.